Hey guys, welcome back. I did take a couple weeks off, but I am back with more Barbie and American Girl content. Today it is Barbie. This is one of my thrift store finds. It's the Barbie Café or coffee shop, and I want to turn it into something new. Can you guess? I mean, it was a big deal this summer. In the United States, there were 21. In Canada, we only had 8. I want to turn this into a Barbie McDonald's. And I know they already make a Barbie McDonald's, but I don't have one. And I have this. So I want to turn this into a McDonald's with the help of my Happy Meal toys. I have quite a few. I'm actually going to move this out of the way. We will bring it back in another video because to start, we are going to open all of these, and I have a lot. I have been collecting them. I have been sending other people to McDonald's. I did not get all 21 that you guys have in the States, and I didn't even get all 8 that we have in Canada. Some of them were just not good. The ones I wanted were the McDonald's bag and the Happy Meal box. I really wanted the fountain drink, but I think it was too small. I have duplicates. And unlike the Americans, Canada actually shows you what's on the box. I know it's disappointing from the Love of the Blind bag, but for the ease of opening, it's just so much better to know what you have. So I'm going to show you which ones I have, and then we can sort them because there's a lot. Like, I actually sent people to go get Happy Meals and give me the toys a lot. We have the restaurant. This one, like I got 2 of those. Boring. The grill, maybe we can find a use for it. I don't know. I have the gold Happy Meal box because we didn't get any of the good Happy Meal boxes here. The bag, this one's my favorite, and I don't think you guys had that one in the States. I would have loved the Boo basket, but we didn't get that here. No. I have the register. This waste of a toy. Tell me I'm wrong. This is the play place. I'm going to open this so you can see it. Waste. I have another bag, and I have the Happy Meal box. I love these. And yes, I have opened some, or some people have opened. So like not opened. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I am so excited because we are going to turn that coffee shop into a McDonald's. It won't be this video. This video, we have to open all of these. I have talked enough. Let's go. So this one's not opened, but this one is. So let's open this one. So now I don't know what you would do with some of these. Like, I don't know. If it's not for Barbie, is this how they came in the States too? With Lil McDonald's, which is super cute, and it shows you. So here's what we got. The grill, the bag, the cash register, the kiosk, the food bag, the play place, the truck, and the restaurant. So the only ones I didn't get are these 2. I so wanted the drink fountain you guys had in the States, and I didn't get it. But that's okay. So this is the house or the restaurant. Like, it's cute. It's got detail. And when you put the lid on, like, I don't know what you do with this afterwards. Oh my gosh, I just thought about this. You know what? I might put this in my little winter village. I might put some snow on the roof. I mean, either that. I mean, it's cute, I guess. I don't know what you would do with it. From a doll perspective, like, is it Chelsea's Playhouse? Like, not for Chelsea, but like, is Chelsea sitting there playing dolls in her doll McDonald's, right? I don't know. I'm not a fan of this one, but I might put it into my dollhouse. I might put it into my winter village. Let's open up the other ones that are underwhelming. This one is the play place. Okay. Unless you're going to make this into a magnet. Like, what are you going to do with this? This one was bad, guys. Like, really bad. But it did come with cool stickers. So the only thing I could say that's good with this one are the stickers. It has the boxes, like carpets. Like, I don't know, maybe we can find a way to incorporate that. Literally, this is it. It's a cube. Like, a magnet, I don't know. I don't know. We'll put that one there with its stickers. Again, like, Come on, McDonald's, give us fun things. Put that one off to the side. Okay, now we're getting into the good ones. I am so excited. Wait until I show you the ones that I am so excited for. Let's open this one. I haven't even opened this one yet. Apparently it looks, I haven't opened this one yet. Apparently it looks like a garbage can. I don't know. I'm so not happy. And this is the last one that I got. Just the instructions. Does it come with stickers? I mean, at least everything is recyclable. It doesn't even come with stickers. Like, there's no stickers in there. Oh, there's no stickers. Let's see what this is. It is the grill. Oh, joy. Oh, it flips. Oh, did you see that? It flips. Okay. It flips. Uncooked, cooked, or seasoned. I don't know. It is so tiny. Is this? I don't know what you do with this. It's not even Chelsea sized. Okay. Is it Kelly sized? Maybe it's a Kelly thing. There you go. All right. There you go. It is a Kelly sized grill. If Kelly is grilling. Okay. So this at least, because like that's the right size. This is size. Okay. This at least could be for like a little tykes. If you have a little tyke section for your dolls, but for anything else, like, I don't know, close the lid and it's a McDonald's garbage can and that's where you would put the trays. I like the flipping feature, but like, these are not good, guys. These are not good. Now, are you ready? Let's get the ones that are already open. My favorite ones are these three. These are the ones that I hunted. And let me tell you, I went to McDonald's all over Ontario looking for these, okay? I'm so excited. I got this one first, this one second, and then this one last. And I actually got this one, then this one, then this one, this one, and this one, and then that. But this is out of the good ones. I'm so excited. This is the cash register, okay? It's perfect Barbie size. It is a perfect Barbie size. Okay. There is the register, and it has the debit or credit, and it lifts up and down, okay? This is so cool. And this, I'm going to just grab this Barbie, is Barbie sized. So when she's standing at the counter, and that's the credit card, this is Barbie size. And I am so glad I got two of these because these can be used for anything. Barbie Boutique, boom, cash register. Barbie McDonald's, cash register. Barbie Café, cash register. This is it. This was my number one. And it comes, yes, with stickers. I love it. It comes with a credit card and money. I love this. So we are going to absolutely use these stickers. And I think that's a name tag and a hat. Like, I don't know what you do with those, but we are absolutely going to use these stickers to go with this. I love it. And I got two. Yes, two of them. I love them. I've had them both open. I love this one. This one, top pick. Absolute top pick. But now that I have that, my Barbies need a little bit more. Introducing the Happy Meal box. And it is gold. I wish it was red, but there it is. And where are they? They're stuck. It comes with, hey, oh, did I misplace them? Oh, no. Never mind. I am getting ahead of myself. Okay. This is the Happy Meal box. And I know what you're thinking. It's big because compared to Chelsea, it's huge. Compare it to Barbie, it's pretty big. So it could be an adult Happy Meal box or it could just be really big, but it opens. Ready? The playability on 1, 2, and the bag are unbelievable. It opens so that you can actually put the food in it and then it closes back up. The playability on this one is amazing. And look at the stickers. Oh, look at the stickers. So we get a bag, a Happy Meal box. I don't know what this is supposed to be, a tray or an apple pie. There is like a nugget box, the Happy Meal. Oh my goodness. The stickers that come in this one are going to allow us to make actual Barbie food for our Happy Meal box. Do you see now why I was so excited? And I don't know, in the States, are these ones as playable as they are here? I don't know. And you see why this whole Make a Barbie McDonald's has to be multiple videos? Because this is taking a while. And we still have one more to do. Are you ready? Deep breath. It is the bag. I've got the bag. I've got the bag. This one was opened already. So let's get it open. And I know because I was so excited, I could not wait to start this. There it is. I love these. I love these. And I think I put the stickers inside of it. Again, this is cardboard, so it's recyclable. And you know the best part? When you're done with the boxes, these are American Girl sized. I did test them out. They are a perfect size. So not only can we make a Happy Meal box for our Barbie, we can make one for our American Girl dolls. That might be another McDonald's typed craft. What do you think? Let me know. As always, let me know in the comments. Okay, ready? Here's the bag. Look at the bag. Oh my goodness. The details on this are so great. I like that the M is half onto the side. It has the little bend. And I think this one was a Canadian exclusive. I don't think it was in the States. And it's the same thing. You open it up. Now this one is a little bit harder because of the shape. It's not even to get like the food in. See how this is skinnier than this side? But I mean, a little imagination. There is Barbie's takeout bag. I really wanted in the States, you guys had the food on the tray. Okay, we don't have that here. At least, I guess my McDonald's is takeout only. Or I can find a way to make a tray. Look at that. Look at how perfectly it fits. It's perfect. Oh my goodness, McDonald's. I love this Happy Meal toy. Okay. And it also comes with stickers. Ah, look at the stickers. Some of them are similar. The smile, the hat. So there's the hat there. But this one has the logo. And it's not in gold. The logo, more of the food, and a bigger credit card. This one has a teeny tiny little one. This one has the big card. So Barbie, American Girl, I don't know. Maybe this one's too small. Maybe this is the right size. It comes with the bag, the signs. So we can now have multiple, because remember, I have 2 more. We can have multiple credit cards. We can have multiple little McChickens. These are the greatest McDonald's toys that I have had in so long. And I'm so thankful that I got these 3. I mean, I'm contented with these. I'll make do. I'll find something. We'll make it work. But I am so thankful that I got these 3 with the stickers so that I can turn my Barbie Café into a McDonald's. My Barbie, oh, there she is. And my, Kelly, and my I can't remember her name. What did I just... Chelsea? Oh my goodness. All my Barbies are so excited. My blue-haired scientist, they are all excited to start going to McDonald's. And let me tell you, my American Girl dolls are super excited to have their own Happy Meal boxes too. Crafting videos are coming up. Thank you all so much for all of the support. Let me know in the comments, move the dolls, your favorite out of all the ones that I have, your favorite out of all the ones that you have. Tell me if you even found some of these and what you would do with like this one or this one. Like, what do you do with these? I don't know what you do with them. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next week. Oh, I'm making a mess in the studio. That's it for now. Thanks, everyone.